guys, I have a riding video for you today. I haven't got out to ride as much as I would like to. I've been trying to find a house, and actually I found a house and now I'm in the process of closing on it, which is why I'm sitting in the middle of town right now. I've been doing house stuff and I don't have internet right now, so I'm gonna have to upload at McDonald's down the road, so I just figured I'd take the intro in a random parking lot. There's actually a 9-foot trout in front of me. Some good news is that by the end of this month I should be in my new house, which is awesome as long as everything goes well. It's gonna be really great for the channel. I got a lot of property, got a pond, 3-stall pole barn. I'm gonna be able to do a lot of cool videos. It's gonna open up a lot of different opportunities. I have a bunch of welders and tools that I'm gonna be able to actually use now that I have a big pole barn. I'm hoping to get a CNC plasma table so we can cut out some cool brackets and stuff for some off-roading parts, do a little bit more fabrication. I'm hoping to get a pipe bender, so I'm just really excited to get this whole thing going, and I'm planning on making a track. I got some buddies that are gonna help. One of the viewers actually offered to come over and help, so that's really cool. In this video, I take my YXZ out and I ride with Johnny and his dad. Johnny's got the YFZ450 quad and Johnny's dad's got the RZR 1K. We hit a lot of fast trails, did a little bit of jumping, not very big jumps, but it was just a lot of fun. It was really dusty on the trails, so it was hard to get good video, but we did the best we could, so check it out. you enjoyed this video. If you did, maybe check out some of our other videos on the channel. If you like what you see as far as content, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. It would really help us out, especially right now. We're so close to 1,000, which is like the minimum subscribers you can have and be monetized, so that would be really awesome. Right now we're making $0 on any of this, so I mean, it's a lot of fun. We're doing it just for fun, but that'd be cool to be able to get more parts and make more videos. So if you could, we'd really appreciate you subscribing. Keep an eye out for some of our upcoming videos. We're gonna have a lot of really cool stuff once I finally get this property and get to building tracks and jumps and get to do some fabricating and actually working on stuff. It's been a rough couple months, but I mean, it's almost there. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.